Here is how to upload in Google Drive link using phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload files in Google Drive link using phone. So let's start. First of all, open the Google Drive app and log into your account. After you open the Google Drive app and log into the account that you want to use, you'll get the shared option on the bottom side of the screen. Tap on it. Now let me remind you that if you want to upload files or make any changes in the shared Google Drive, you will have to be given permission to do so by the person that has shared it with you. Otherwise, you won't be able to make any changes. So make sure you have the permission. After that, open the folder where you want to make the changes. After you open the folder, if you have the permission to make any changes or upload files, then you will get the plus sign on the bottom side of the screen from where you can upload files. However, if you don't have the permission to make changes, as in my case, then you won't find the plus option to upload new files. So make sure you have the permission to make changes in order to upload files in Google Drive link. That's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.